Well, it's a little bit after 11. I'm just waiting for Kyron to show up, head out to the houseboat. Today's Tim's party, and we'll be sailing around, come back, get some people, drop people off, and then go out, and then come back, and then go out for the night. And I'm staying until Thursday, so it'll be a little adventure. Hey, buddy. And yeah, just seeing the chipmunks before I go. There's a small one. That's a bigger one. See ya, buddy. I haven't seen Sweetie around anywhere. Well, I saw her earlier this morning, but she's gonna miss out because I'm not gonna do any more peanut runs now. And next footage will be on the houseboat. Party, party. Well, here we are. We're still sitting here. We got on one boat, and there's some big problem with the battery or something. So we switched boats, and we're actually on the same boat we had last year. And we were gonna go out, but because of the delay, there's no point in going out because we just have to come back in for the people that are coming soon. So we're chilling, having hot dogs and beer. So we just dropped everybody off, and now we're trying to make it for Jewett's Cove, but Bruce was piloting here, and I was like, look at this. This is... and I think it's coming more towards us. So we might be okay, I don't know. Hopefully. But it was a great day. We just dropped everybody off and going to Jewett's Cove for the night. And we're still partying. They got the hot tub going. I ain't going in the hot tub. It's freezing up here. I guess that's kind of the thing of the hot tub, right? So we survived the storm. And we're still headed towards Jewett's Cove. Looks like we got a good amount of daylight left to get there. And yeah, the storm looked like it kind of petered out. Well, we were lucky there was no wind. If there was wind in that would have been a different storm altogether, but we lucked it out. If I knew what time it was, I'd tell you what time it is. I think it's after 8. And we might be getting into another storm.
That's pretty cool.
Can't take my eyes off of it. The video does not do it justice. Beautiful. Ah, it's like a golden ember on the horizon. Oh my God. Here we are, Jewett's Cove. Just coming in for the night. So beautiful. Like, Tim told me about this a couple of weeks ago, and he was like, "Do you want to come?" And I'm like, "Fuck yeah, yeah!" I had so much fun last June when we did this. We did it like 2 weeks later. It's starting to rain. Oh, it is too. It's starting to rain. But we did it 2 weeks later, so it might have been a little bit warmer. So it might be a little cold tonight, but we'll survive. So I'm in my little bunk here. Kind of hard to make out exactly what it is, but it's a little bunk. Got a nice mattress. Got a bedding, pillow, got a light and a fan. Andrew's over there, and there's a bedroom above me, and there's a bedroom there, and there's a bedroom there, and there's a bedroom there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 bedrooms, and then out in the living room, there's another couple of beds that make out of the table and the benches. I'm shooting the wall. Well, this will be really exciting. Yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So you can fit another couple of people out front, or yeah, front. Yeah, that's front. We're at the back. But yeah, I can fit probably another 4 people out there. But I think they said I can sleep 14. And it was a lot higher. I thought it was like 8. But it was like 12 or 14 people that can sleep this thing. It's freaking amazing, man. I love this thing. So my phone was charging, so I didn't have it out. But I made a discovery this morning. There's an eagle's nest up there, but my phone, the zoom in it, will not do it justice, I doubt. Yeah, no, it's blur. I wish we had some binoculars. So we're underway on Tuesday morning. I don't know what time it is. 8 o'clock, something like that. So they're gonna do a bunch of shooting on the boat today. I think they're doing, I don't know if it's like a commercial. I know they're doing some stuff for this company. And then they're doing another, I don't know, for, might be a beer thing. I don't know. They just do what they want me to do, which probably won't be much, which is alright. So beautiful. There's so much pollen on the water. I don't know if you can see that over there. Like last night, Bruce was doing some night fishing. We actually had my flashlight. Apparently, if you shine a light in the water, the fish are supposed to come to it, but that didn't seem to work out for us. But just while we were fishing, like all of this pollen washed in. It's like it's in blobs in the water sections. It's so awesome. We saw 4 eagles multiple times yesterday. They're over more towards by the dam, but we were quite far away, but it was always a great show. Oh, it's just beautiful out. Oh my god. Wish they had something you could like mop up all the moisture on all the seats and stuff. So this is my setup for when we're usually going back when no one's around. Kind of sit here, nice and dry. Put my feet up. And watch the world roll by. Yep, we're just over by the dam. It's still Tuesday. Tuesday morning, I think it's like getting close to 10 o'clock. probably can't hear me. There's the wind. So these are our bunks in the daytime. There's one here, there's one there, and there's a little step up here. And there's a bedroom there, and there's a bedroom here, and then there's one here, and then there's two bathrooms. And then that goes out to the back of the boat, which is not too bad. I mean, sometimes it can be a little gaseous, but we're back on dry land, and we're just getting ready to send some people back to get the gear for the not movie shoot, but the shoots that they're doing. The boat is filled with people for this shoot. It's very cramped quarters, and everybody's eating, and yeah, so I figured nobody up here, and there's nobody up here. So I'm gonna sit up here with my non-alcoholic Budweiser and my burger, and have lunch. It's nice out. It's kind of windy. I think when we get on the water, it's gonna be a lot cooler because there's clouds. There's kind of a cold wind, but it's nice right now up here. Of course, the wind comes up right as I do this, but they got a drone that's just above the tree there. They're doing some drone shots of this. It's like a business transaction is being completed. Is the idea. I think they're doing like, showing what the boats can be used for, kind of thing. Because later on they're gonna have like people cooking and serving people in the bathtub or the hot tub. Where the hell is it? I don't even see where the fuck that thing is. I don't know if you'll hear me, but end of another super awesome day. We're heading back up to Jewett's Cove. We might actually explore a little bit tonight and go up a little bit farther. Remember this morning I was going, I wonder what's up around that corner. Well, we're actually going to go check that out. On the map it says you can go up there, and there are other places you can park yourself overnight. So that's the thing tonight. Just about 4, 5, maybe 6 of us on the boat tonight. Hayden's here with us, Tim's son. So kind of a guys night out. Although I don't think there were any women on the boat last night. No, there weren't. So that was a guy's night out too.
Setup. I think those are like dusk shots. Like it's way brighter than it is now.
Oh, I kind of wanted to have this. I absolutely did not want to do do it tonight, but at least think about the logistics of how to do it.
Let's talk it out now. I think